and welcome back to my channel. This video covers all hair, nails, face, body, almost everything, and I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into it. So let me start with things which you need to do before stepping out of your home. So the first thing is for your hair. So for that you need to oil your hair with coconut oil. What will this do is it will help you to remove your color as fast as possible, and your hair will not be as damaged as it could be if you don't oil your hair. And don't worry about how you look after applying lots of oil in your hair. You just have to know that you need to take care of your hair. Okay, so the next important thing is, and also use coconut oil all over your body. It will also help you to break out the colors from your body. So when you shower, it will remove all the colors very easily, so you don't have to take some extra efforts and rub your skin or do anything. So the next important thing is you should use SPF at least of 30, because you'll be out in the sun for a really long time. So make sure that you apply sunscreen. I'm having this Biotic Bio Morning Nectar with SPF of 30. So I'm going to use this to protect my skin from sun. This is like the most important thing for me, at least, because I can't forget my lips. So for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Lips with SPF of 30, and it gives you like a nice soft tint, as well as it protects your lips from harmful UV rays. Make sure that you apply lip balm with SPF as well. The next important thing is our nails. Now for girls, make sure that you paint your nails. I've already painted my nails, as you can see, to protect my nails from the harmful colors and everything. So once you get back from playing Holi and you are like finally satisfied, so the things that you need to do for your hair is that you need to wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove all the colors from your hair. And after that, use a really nourishing conditioner. I'm using this Pantene Pro V Hair for Control conditioner. So I'll be using the Pantene one, but you can use any nourishing hair spa conditioner, or maybe like a really moisturizing conditioner. So we are done with our hairs, and now let's move to the skin. Next important thing that you need to do is use aloe vera gel. It will kind of smooth your skin out and it will really help you. And to remove all the color from your face, you need to scrub your face, but with a really mild cleanser. So I'm using this Ova cleanser brush. It's really mild, it doesn't irritate your skin. So I'm going to use this with a really mild cleanser on it, and I'm just going to massage it all over my face to remove all the color. Done with it, you can use a really good moisturizer to moisturize your skin. Then moving to a body, you need to scrub your body as well. So you can use this Palmolive Thermal Spa Skin Renewal. It has crushed coconuts and jojoba butter extracts. This thing have a really mild granules in it, so it doesn't irritate your skin. It just gently exfoliates your skin. And the things that you really need to take care about is, please don't wear any denims. They irritate your skin, so please don't wear denims. And the next important thing is that try to wear full sleeve clothes and not half sleeves. It will kind of cover yourself, so you don't get a lot of colors to your skin. Next important thing is try to wear cotton clothes instead of synthetic or silk clothes. And if you're someone who wears contact lenses or glasses, make sure that you don't wear it, because it will really irritate your eyes and you don't have to do that. I know this might happen to you, that your face looks pink, hot pink, even after a week of Holi, and you can do anything about it. For that I have a trick. Use Vaseline on your earlobe, and that will protect your ears from getting any colors, and it will remove all the colors from your ears as well, so you don't have color remaining here and there. And to all my viewers, a really happy Holi, and a really humble request, please don't put colors on pets or any animal around you. Please keep them safe. So that were my tips and tricks, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.